morning, everyone. I am about to head into Pilates. I haven't done a workout class in so long because I've just been so busy the past end of the week and weekend. So I'm definitely going to be sore after today doing my reformer Pilates class. And yeah, that's it for now. I might go to a coffee shop after, as always, but my computer is almost dead and I can't remember if they have outlets at the table I usually sit at or at the tables. I kind of forget, so if not, I'll just grab a coffee after and go home, but that's it for now. I am just leaving the coffee shop. I got some work done. I was starving, so I ate, and honestly, it's so nice out that I think I'm gonna go take my dog to the beach because it's just finally sunny, and I wouldn't say it's warm, but it's definitely warmer than it has been. And I think she's gonna have fun, so I'm gonna go home and get her.